Hi, I'm Ronel from Let's Revamp Property Styling. We're still busy talking about our lovely bedroom. So now we're going to do the bedside tables. I love bedside lamps. They just add some extra light to your room. They create a very luxurious atmosphere in your bedroom, invites people in to come and have a look. I love big lamps. I love them. And the moment you walk in, you don't want to see something tiny sitting there. You really want to make a statement with your lamps. So make them really nice and visible. If you struggle to choose a color for your lampshade, you can always pick the color from your cushions or your wall or your artwork in the bedroom. Try and reflect that. If you're not sure, always go with a glass base, because glass just goes with everything as well. So in this case, I use 2 of the same lamps. If you do not have 2 of the same, just make sure they're from the same era, same style and same color. And then dressing your bedside table is very easy. You can use a small plant, succulent, anything that's artificial as well if you're not living in your property. And then just something nice, it just binds everything together. You can use books as well. So I'll talk more about that in the next session. Just keep it simple. Don't have clocks, personal items or anything displayed there. Remove any photos, any personalized items. Just have 2 or 3 maximum at most.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time for more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye.